Welcome to Invent ERP, your growth keystone. In today's video, we'll teach you how to purchase a product with different units of measure in Invent ERP. This gives your business flexibility and more organized measurement on your products. Let's begin. Head to All Apps. Then Sales. Choose Products. Then select Add. When you arrive to the creation page, start by adding a product name. Then select Stockable as a product type, followed by adding a sales price and cost. A crucial note: ensure that you determine what the unit of measure the product will be, and what the purchase unit will be. In this case, we will purchase in tons. When that is finished, press Create. Now let's create a purchase order for this product. Click on All Apps. Then select Purchases. Choose Purchase Orders. Then Add. When you arrive to the page, begin by choosing your supplier. Scroll down to Quote Items, then add the product. It should look like this. Also verify the quantity you want. Then create the purchase order. Confirm order. After that, receive products. Now click on Set Quantities. The demanded and done quantity will match after selecting it. After that, choose to validate. That's it. As you can see, we've purchased 1 ton, equivalent to 1,000 kilograms on hand, for this product. Sales in POS are recorded in kilograms. How that works can be seen in another video. There you go. That is how to purchase a product with different units of measure in Invent ERP. Thank you for watching.